Hello friends, how you all doing? In today's video I'm gonna show you a really awesome way to pour soda into the glass container. You know, when you pour soda regular way, it gets foamy really fast, like this, until it just spills all over like that. So you have to wait until foam disappears and then pour more. But there's a really cool way how to pour soda. All you need to do is just turn it upside down like this and just kind of regulate. You see that? That's pretty cool. I'm gonna do the same with Coke. Look at that. That's pretty cool. This trick also works with beer. I'm gonna show you. Check this out. There you go. In order for this trick to work each time, the key here is to turn the bottle upside down really fast and lower it down. Then you can regulate the level of the soda. As it comes up, then you lift the bottle up. Well, that's how you pour soda into the glass container. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe for more videos and I'll see you next time. I'm gonna do the same with Coke. Put it this way. Oops.